am going to show you how to set your Instagram account to private, meaning that only those people who you approve of can check out your posts. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone or the website on your device, tap on the home button and click on your profile. On the right side corner of the screen, tap on edit profile at the top, click on privacy and security in the middle of the screen, and after that you can see that there is this privacy or private account section, meaning that if you turn this on by tapping onto this box, your account will be set to private, meaning that only those people you approve can see your posts. However, it won't affect your existing followers. If you want to set your profile to public, just tap on the checkmark icon and click on the OK button so that anyone will be able to see your posts on Instagram. So click on OK and then it will be set to public. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.